evening time, everybody. Hope you're all doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com, donkeystomper.com. Guys, we've got a YouTube and channel Patreon combined members giveaway every month. Could be a 2-pill, 1-pill, radio, you never know. We give something away every month to our members, so join up with us and be part of it. Plus you get discounts, perks, giveaways, early access to videos, all kinds of cool stuff. Alrighty guys, we got a 2x8 repair review. This one had one transistor blowed in it, probably from too much dead key. So I replaced that transistor, and I took and put a little pad on the variable and hold the dead key down a little more. This don't need no more than 2 watts. 1 watt's idea, but 2 watts max into it. Alrighty guys, we'll look at our straight through SWR to start off. Hello worldwide, straight through SWR, worldwide, 44, 120 SWR. Alright, we're going to turn it back on, input SWR and output PP. Variable's wide open. Hello worldwide, wide, 17 some change, get on down, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little 2x8 is getting on down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Break. Average low because the dead key's low. Say, look at that, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We can set it. Put your little carrier in there. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The average come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, adios. Yeah, I've got a bad cold, guys. Look at our birds up here. 5 on reverse on the right, peak on the left. Hello, wide, 15 and some change on the bird. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, it was doing a little more than that. I put a little padding on it. Try to keep from me breaking it so quick. Alright, outdoor dummy low. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 some change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad at all. Breaker. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the famous LP thing. It jumps up and down and around and around. So let's just say 1485. Hello, 1, 2, 1470, 1450 and change on the outdoor dummy load. We're running 14.4 volts, keyed up. There she is, bud. She's all ready and fixed up for you. Appreciate you watching, guys. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. Check out our merch store. Check out donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Y'all take care. Your friend in 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Bye-bye.